guys, so today on Science with Tali, we're going to be making some rainbow tie-dye milk. And to do this experiment, all you're going to need is some milk. I have almond milk, but you can use any type of milk you have. Some soap, some food coloring, and then a Q-tip or a pencil. You can use whichever. I think a Q-tip probably works better, but you can use a pencil if you want to. And then you're also going to need a plate. So to start off, you're going to need some milk, and you're just going to pour it into your plate. I don't have a specific amount of milk because it depends on how big your plate is, but you just want it, you do not want to overflow it, you just want it to kind of cover the base of your plate. So that's a good amount for the plate size I have. And then you're going to take your food dye. You can use a lot of colors, you can just use one. It looks cooler with a lot of colors though. Let's see if I don't think I have enough blue to do it with this. There we go, some blue. And some yellowish, orangish, which is my favorite color. And some green. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Q-tip or your pencil. I'm gonna use a Q-tip. And you're just gonna put a little bit of soap on it. So you're gonna put a little bit of soap on it, and you're just gonna touch in like a place with food coloring. And you can see that it makes like a rainbow tie-dye design. And you can move it all around like this into all the other clumps. It makes a cool tie-dye pattern. And then you can wash off the Q-tip or use the other side of the Q-tip or wash off the pencil eraser and just do it again with the other side, and you can keep doing it. And it just makes a cool tie-dye design. So I decided to try this experiment one more time just with some different ingredients. Now instead of dish soap, I'm going to use hand soap, and instead of almond milk, I'm going to use buttermilk. And if you have like skim milk or other types of milk that I didn't use, try it and send us a video so that we can see how those ones work compared to ours. So I'm going to do the same process, and you can see in this that it has fat, and as a saturated fat, trans fat, total fat. So it's got a lot of fat in it, but it also has, this milk also has water in it. So that's one of the reasons that this works. So I'll explain that more later. So when you pour the milk, I'm just gonna pour the milk in the plate again. I'm gonna put in the food dye again. And the thing is when the soap reacts with the milk, it separates the water and the fat in the milk. So that's what makes the food coloring like separate and make a cool design. So this is how it works like this. And you can see that the milk and water is separating, which is expanding the food coloring. So you can see here that the fat and the water is separating, and that's also why we use soap to clean our hands and our dishes, is because it takes off all the dirtiness and the fat and it makes it clean. So that's what the soap's doing here, which is separating the food coloring too. Hope you try this experiment because it's super cool. If you do, send us a video of it and have fun. Bye.